A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Aditi Arora, Assistant Professor in CAC Department, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In today's lecture, we will be providing you the course description about the aktu subject operating system with the subject code BCS 401. So the complete syllabus is divided into 5 units. The very first unit is the introduction about operating system. What is an operating system? What are the various goals and functions of an operating system like process management, memory management, input-output management, file management. And then we will discuss about the classification of operating systems, that is batch operating system, interactive OS, time sharing, real-time OS, multiprocessors, multi-threaded operating systems, right? And then we will also discuss about the operating system structure, that is layered structure. And then we will also discuss about the various services associated with a particular operating system. Lastly, we will cover a very important topic, that is kernel. Kernel is basically the core of any operating system. It is the controlling authority of all the functions and services provided by the operating system. In this, we will cover reentrant kernels and the difference between monolithic and microlithic kernels, along with diagram and various examples, real-life examples. The complete playlist of lectures from Unit 1 will be delivered by Ms. Nepali Singla. Unit 2 is concurrency control. Here, first of all, we will understand what a process is and how it is different from the program. And next, we will understand the principle of concurrency, producer-consumer problem, then the concept of mutual exclusion. Actually, operating system resources, some operating system resources can only be utilized in only mutually exclusive manner. Next, we will discuss about a very important problem, that is critical section problem. What is this problem and what all are the various solutions available to deal with this problem, that is Decker's solution and Peterson solution, and also semaphores. Lastly, we will understand about two classical problems on concurrency, that is dining philosopher problem and sleeping barber problem. The complete playlist for Unit 2 will be delivered by myself, that is Aditi Arora. Coming to Unit 3, that is CPU scheduling. Here we will first understand the concept of CPU scheduling. What is the main purpose of scheduling? What all are the different performance criteria like waiting time, turnaround time, and so on? What all are the different process states? Actually, a process can transit from one state to another. There are a total of 7 states in which a process can take transitions, and we will understand this concept with the help of a diagram. Next, we will understand about schedulers. There are 2 kinds of schedulers, that is short-term scheduler and long-term scheduler. Then we will understand about the topic process control block. It is basically a block saved in memory and it contains all the information related to a particular process, right? Then we will understand a very important concept of threads. What all are threads, how they are different from process, and what all are the different kinds of threads and multi-threading models. Next, we will understand about scheduling algorithms. Here, we will focus on many algorithms conceptually, and also we will cover gate numericals for practice. Next, we will understand multiprocessor scheduling. And then again, we will be covering a very important topic, that is deadlock. First of all, we will understand what is a deadlock, what all are the different characteristics of a deadlock, and how we can prevent a system from deadlock, how we can avoid deadlock, how we can detect the deadlock, and lastly, how we can recover from the deadlock. The complete playlist for Unit 3 will be delivered by Dr. Amit Kumar Pandey. Coming to Unit 4, memory management. First of all, we will understand the concept of memory and how the processes are being saved and fetched from the main memory. We will understand about 2 kinds of partitions in the memory, that is fixed partition and variable sized partitions. And then we will discuss very important topic, that is memory protection schemes. Here two topics, rather three topics are there: paging, segmentation, and paged segmentation, right? Next, we will understand about virtual memory concepts. What is a virtual memory and how it can be implemented? It can be implemented through demand paging. Then we will understand various page replacement algorithms, and we will cover so many gate numericals here in this topic. Then we will understand the concept of thrashing, cache memory organization, and lastly, locality of reference. So the complete playlist for Unit 4 will be delivered by Mr. Nilesh Sen. Last unit is the I/O management, where we will discuss about various input-output devices associated with the system, computing system, what is I/O buffering, and what is the basic structure of disk and how disk scheduling or how disk management is being done. We will understand the concept of RAID here. And lastly, we will discuss the concept of file system. What is a file and how files are being organized? What is a directory hierarchy, and how different files can be shared, and how the file system, different file systems can be implemented? What all are the issues that needs to be considered while implementing any file system, and how we can provide protection and security to different file systems? All this will be covered in the last unit. The complete playlist for Unit 5 of Operating System will be delivered by Miss Ruchi Jain. Operating system is basically a very important subject from a GATE or any other competitive exams point of view. So these are the references from where we will be preparing the content for operating system. All the content related to operating system will be available on ABES EC CTL channel. Thank you.